In this video, I'll demonstrate how we can use Microsoft Copilot and Plan Designer to create turnaround and permit control. The turnarounds are high risk, time critical, and events involving hundreds of permits and tightly coupled activities. The solution shows how AI can improve safety, visibility, and execution confidence. So I This starts with the clear definition of the requirement, business requirement, which is then entered into the plan designer. And then the plan acts as the architectural backbone by defining the process, roles, and responsibilities, data model, and then the architect solution stack, technology stack. So let's start with the business requirement. Turnaround planning in petrochemical and refinery operations involves managing hundreds of interdependent actions and safety permits. Today, supervisors manually review permit completeness, assess risk, and track dependencies across teams. This creates blind spots in sequencing, increasing safety risk, and makes it difficult to get a real time view of turnaround readiness and progress. So, with this AI first approach, we are creating a centralized uh, intelligence assistant which manages the turnaround tasks and safety permits. Copilot reviews each and every record for completeness, risk exposure, and interdependencies, and highlights the gap and provides guidance on the optimal sequencing. Now, we've defined the input, output, and all those details, and as a result, plan has suggested the roles. So the players are turnaround supervisor, safety coordinator, operations planner. Then for these roles, we have multiple process created. One of the processes centralized turnaround planning and permit management. This process encompasses the end-to-end management of turnaround tasks and safety permits, including ingestion of work orders, a review of permit completeness, risk assessment, mapping of dependencies, sequence optimization, and etc. The AI Copilot provides supervisors, safety coordinators, and planners with real time insight, guidance, and summarizers to ensure safe, efficient, and compliant turnaround execution. So, this is the process for us. And let's see the data model now. We have turnaround task, safety permit, permit approval, risk rating, task dependency, turnaround progress, and Copilot guidance. So, we've created the agent and the app and the underlying workflow which runs in the background. Let's see how the app looks like. This is my turnaround control center app. As you can see, it has different screen. The first screen is turnaround task. It lists the active turnaround tasks that are available with the risk rating. You can create new. The supervisors can monitor and from the screen, technicians can insert new records. This is my safety permit, and this is my approval screen. Permits which are entered has to go through a proper approval process, and here we are. We have a approver name for which permit what they have done, if have they approved or rejected, and on which day the approval happened. All of these are captured here. And then we have the risk rating screen. This is more of a static. In case if there's a new risk assessment being done, rating is being added, we can add it here. We have the turnaround progress. So this is about the app. Let's see how the agent look like. So this is my turnaround intelligence agent. I have run a couple of test cases. And I am asking the agent alert user about the high risk activity and incomplete permits to ensure compliance and safety. So it went and checked the table and says there is one high risk incomplete permit that requires immediate attention. The task name it is listed and is classified as work at height activity. So it does the scoring and everything is given here. And it is grounded with the reference data from where it got the information. So this is the other high risk activity which I've asked for. There is one high risk activity and it is listed in this style. And I'm asking what are the different statuses that are there. Permit status, it is listing me the status which are currently active. And then finally, I'm asking for a summary of what the leaders. So it gives what are the active permits that is involving high or critical risk. Tank cleaning, safety drill, and valve inspection. And then it gives some key points and recommendation for the leaders. It is grounded with the safety permitting. So that's about